Looking for ways to make your Valentine's Day special? Start it off right with a romantic breakfast in bed. Imagine waking up to the smell of pancakes, but not just any pancakes, heart-shaped pancakes. Top them off with fresh strawberries and a dollop of whipped cream, and you've got a breakfast that's as sweet as your love. And who can resist eggs? Not ordinary eggs, but heart-shaped eggs in a basket paired with crispy bacon on the side is sure to make your beloved's heart flutter. Don't forget to serve it up with a steaming cup of coffee or maybe a refreshing mimosa if you're feeling a little adventurous. Starting your Valentine's Day with such a loving gesture not only fills your stomachs, but also fills your hearts with warmth and affection. Remember, a hearty breakfast sets the tone for a day filled with love and surprises. Gifts don't always have to be store-bought. Sometimes the most memorable gifts are the ones you make yourself. Let's explore some DIY gift ideas that are sure to touch the heart of your loved ones. Firstly, consider a handmade card. It's simple yet thoughtful, and it gives you the chance to express your love in your own words. Now, how about a jar of love notes? Write down all the reasons why you love them, fold these little notes, and fill a glass jar. It's a gift that keeps on giving as they can read a note every day. Lastly, let's think about a personalized photo album. Collect your favorite memories together, print them out, and arrange them in a beautiful scrapbook. Nothing says I cherish our time together like a book full of memories. Handmade gifts not only save money, but also add a personal touch that your loved ones will surely appreciate. Now that we've got breakfast and gifts covered, it's time to plan the highlight of the day, the date night. Imagine a cozy indoor picnic. It's not your everyday picnic, it's a Valentine's Day special. Picture twinkling fairy lights, a plush blanket spread out on the living room floor, and an array of your favorite snacks. You could even add a personal touch by including a dish that holds a special memory or a snack that your partner adores. Now, if cooking isn't your strong suit, fret not. Ordering in from your favorite local restaurant can be just as special. The key here is to set the mood. Take out that dusty candle set you've been saving for a special occasion, lay out a tablecloth, and voila! You have your very own fancy restaurant right at home. But what if you're a culinary maestro? Well then, a candlelit dinner at home could be your stage. The menu, their favorite homemade meal. And for dessert, something decadent, something indulgent. It could be a classic like chocolate-covered strawberries or something a bit more adventurous like a homemade tiramisu. Remember, it's not just about the food or the setting, it's about creating a shared experience. A memory that will bring a smile to your faces every time you think back on it. Whether you're staying in or going out, remember, it's the effort and thought that count. Valentine's Day isn't just about romantic love. It's also a great opportunity to practice self-love. This is your moment to put yourself first, to celebrate you, and to indulge in the things that bring you joy and tranquility. Perhaps it's sliding into a bubble bath filled with your favorite scents, surrounded by the soft glow of candles. Perhaps it's indulging in your favorite treats, guilt-free, because today is a day of love, and that includes self-love. Or perhaps it's spending time doing activities that uplift your spirit and calm your mind, be it reading a good book, painting, or even dancing around your living room. This is your day, and you deserve to celebrate it in a way that makes you feel cherished and loved. After all, self-love isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Remember, the most important person to love this Valentine's Day is yourself. Well, we've covered some fantastic ideas to make your Valentine's Day special. We started with the perfect romantic breakfast in bed, moved on to heartfelt DIY gifts, planned an unforgettable date night, and rounded off with the importance of self-love. These are more than just ideas. They're ways to express love and make moments memorable. Whether you're spending the day with a partner, friends, or celebrating self-love, we wish you a happy Valentine's Day filled with joy, love, and lots of surprises.